When an emergency strikes, the gear you have can make all the difference. It's not about fear, it's about being prepared, self-reliant, and having the peace of mind that you can handle whatever comes your way. Welcome to our countdown of the top 20 survival gear items available right now. We've done the research to bring you a list of tools that are functional, durable, and could truly be lifesavers. One more thing, don't forget to check the link in description for latest price and discount of each gear we talked about. So, let's get started. Number 20. Altland 10-pack of emergency blankets. At number 20 is the emergency blanket. This isn't just a flimsy piece of foil, it's designed to reflect up to 90% of your body's radiated heat back to you, creating a vital cocoon of warmth. With a generous size of 52 by 82 inches, it offers full body coverage. But its uses don't stop there. That incredibly reflective surface is perfect for signaling rescuers, and the material is also waterproof and windproof, adding a crucial layer of protection from the elements. Best of all, each blanket is compact, lightweight, and packaged in its own resealable bag, making it incredibly easy to stash in your car, backpack, or emergency kit. For less than $1 per blanket, this 10-pack is an unbeatable value for a tool that addresses one of your most immediate survival needs. Number 19. Fankai 9-in-1 Cigar Lighter. At number 19 is the Fankai 9-in-1 Cigar Lighter. In a survival situation, the ability to create fire is non-negotiable. It provides warmth, purifies water, cooks food, and signals for help. While a simple disposable lighter works, the Fankai is a significant upgrade. This isn't just a lighter, it's a compact, solid-feeling multi-tool crafted from zinc alloy. It features a powerful triple-jet flame that ignites quickly and evenly, even in windy conditions, which is a huge advantage over a weak single flame. But what truly sets it apart are the integrated accessories. A sliding V-cutter for preparing tinder, a cigar punch, a poker, and even a built-in cigar stand. This thoughtful design means you have a robust, windproof ignition source combined with tools to help you prepare your fuel. Just remember, it ships without butane due to regulations, so you'll need to fill it before it goes into your kit. Number 18. Loveknit Solar Power Bank 20,000 mAh. When the grid goes down, your smartphone is your map, your flashlight, your communication device, and your source of information. This power bank ensures it stays powered. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, it can recharge most phones multiple times. It eliminates cable clutter with 3 built-in cables: Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB, and also offers wireless charging and multiple output ports, allowing you to charge up to 6 devices at once. The USB-C port supports 15-watt fast charging, which can get a phone to 50% power in just 30 minutes. While its solar charging capability is best seen as the emergency backup to top it up slowly, the primary value is its incredible versatility and capacity. It's also built to be IPX5 waterproof and dustproof, and it includes a super bright LED flashlight, making it a true all-in-one power solution for any emergency or outdoor adventure. Number 17. Sharpland Folding Pocket Knife. When every ounce counts, this EDC folding knife delivers premium performance without the bulk. The blade is made from high-quality Sandvik 14C28N steel, known for its excellent edge retention and ease of sharpening, meaning it will stay sharp through tough tasks like cutting rope, notching wood, or preparing food. The handle is a combination of G10 and carbon fiber, providing an ergonomic and non-slip grip even when wet. It features a convenient crossbar access lock for easy, safe, one-handed operation, and includes multiple opening methods including a reverse flick and a thumb stud. Weighing only 2.8 ounces, it's lightweight enough for everyday carry, but robust enough to handle serious camp chores. It's a reliable, well-designed cutting tool that you'll be glad to have in your pocket when you need it most. Number 16. Semern Emergency Radio. This device is a true hub for your survival needs. First, it's a radio, giving you access to FM and NOAA weather bands to receive critical public alerts and stay informed during a disaster. Second, It boasts a massive 22,000 milliamp hour power bank with 20-watt fast charging, multiple output ports, and even advanced wireless charging for compatible phones. But it adds crucial layers of redundancy. If its battery ever dies, you can recharge it by hand cranking or through its solar panel. It also functions as a powerful SOS flashlight and a reading lamp, and it even has Bluetooth to act as a speaker. Built to be IP65 waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, this rug membrane. Number 15. Sawyer Squeeze Water Filtration System. You can only live a few days without water, but drinking from an untreated source can be just as dangerous due to bacteria and protozoa. The Sawyer Squeeze is a game changer. This compact, lightweight filter uses an advanced 0.1 micron absolute hollow fiber membrane. To put that in perspective, it removes 99.99999% of all bacteria, 99.9999% of protozoa, and even 100% of microplastics. You can safely drink directly from a stream or lake. The system is incredibly easy to use. Just fill the included pouches, screw on the filter, and squeeze. It also fits on standard plastic water bottles and can be configured as a gravity system. With proper maintenance, this filter is rated to last for a lifetime, cleaning up to 100,000 gallons. It's the ultimate insurance policy against waterborne illness. Number 14. Baofeng UV5 R ham radio 2-pack. Breaking into our number 14 is a tool that grants you a significant communication advantage. The Baofeng UV5R ham radio. When cell towers are down, these handheld two-way radios become your lifeline. This 2-pack offers incredible value and capability. These are not simple walkie-talkies. They are powerful, programmable ham radios with a maximum output of 8 watts, greatly extending their range compared to consumer models. They operate on both VHF and UHF bands, can store 128 channels, and with the included programming cable, you can customize them for local emergency frequencies. The package includes a massive 3,800 milliamp hour battery for extended use, a tactical antenna for better signal reception, and an earpiece for private listening. While a license is required to transmit on most frequencies, the ability to listen and, in a true life or death emergency, communicate over distances makes this an indispensable tool for any serious preparedness plan. Number 13. HX Outdoors Multifunctional Splitting Axe. This small but mighty hatchet is a powerhouse built for hard use. The blade is crafted from 5CR15 MOV steel, heat-treated for durability and a sharp, long-lasting edge, and features a black titanium plating for rust resistance. It's a full tang design, meaning the steel runs the entire length of the handle, making it incredibly strong. The handle itself is made from G10, a high-pressure fiberglass laminate that is virtually indestructible and provides a secure, non-slip grip. This axe isn't just for chopping, it also incorporates a hammer on the back of the head, making it a versatile tool for building or driving stakes. It comes with a durable Kydex sheath for safe storage and transport. For camping, bushcraft, or emergency scenarios, this compact axe delivers performance far beyond its size. Number 12. Oguri 2-burner foldable camping stove. At number 12, we have the Oguri 2-burner foldable camping stove. After a disaster or during a long camping trip, a hot meal is more than a luxury. It's a massive boost to morale and provides essential calories. This stove provides a robust and portable kitchen. It features 2 independent burners, each putting out 10,000 BTUs, giving you plenty of power to boil water quickly and cook full meals. The unique selling point is the included dual-surface griddle, textured on one side for searing and smooth on the other for eggs and pancakes. It has a push-button piezo ignition, so no matches are needed, and it folds down into a remarkably compact and portable unit with a carrying bag. Made from durable stainless steel with a windproof design, this stove turns a propane tank into a reliable cooking solution for your family or group, making it an essential piece of gear for any medium to long-term emergency situation. Number 11. Parcel Distribution Full-Face Respirator Gas Mask. At the number 11 spot on our list goes to the Parcel Distribution Full-Face Respirator Gas Mask. This is not a toy, it's a serious piece of personal protective equipment. This full-face respirator provides comprehensive coverage for your eyes, nose, and mouth, which is a critical advantage over half masks. Its large, impact-resistant lens offers a wide field of vision, and the Arctic blue tint is excellent for use in bright conditions. The professional-grade dual-filter system uses activated charcoal to protect against a range of organic vapors and particulates. It's CE-tested, distributed in the USA and built for heavy-duty use in chemical labs or other hazardous environments. Coming in at number 10 is the Go Time Gear Survival Life Tent. This product solves the single most immediate survival threat: exposure to the elements. This isn't a simple emergency blanket. It's a masterclass in lightweight shelter. Its brilliant design features a two-person tube tent crafted from military-grade PET mylar that reflects and retains a staggering 90% of your body heat. It sets up instantly between trees or can be adapted as a ground blanket, creating a critical barrier against wind, rain, and hypothermia in minutes. Weighing a mere 8.7 ounces and packing down to the size of a soda can, it also includes a 120 decibel emergency whistle and 550-pound paracord for securing it. This shelter brings life-preserving order to the chaos of an unexpected night in the wilderness, making survival efficient and utterly possible. The number 9 spot is secured by the Titan Survival patented paracord 750. This is the ultimate workhorse for the survivor who values multifunctionality without sacrificing an ounce of strength. This isn't standard paracord, it's a revolutionary 3-in-1 survival system engineered into every strand. Its military-spec construction boasts a tested tensile strength of 1,000 pounds, but its genius is inside. It integrates a waterproof fire tinder strand, a 110-pound test Kevlar thread for critical repairs, and a 25-pound test braided fishing line. It's resistant to UV, mildew, and extreme weather, making it the perfect versatile companion for building shelters, setting snares, making repairs, or securing gear when your survival depends on one tool doing it all. At number 8 is the Adventure Medical Kit's Sportsman Series Medical Kit. This innovative kit is the ultimate solution for managing trauma and medical emergencies while keeping your supplies completely organized. Unlike basic first aid tins, this comprehensive 200-piece kit is designed to accommodate up to 4 people for up to 4 days. It's built with the Easy Care organization system, providing lightning-fast access to essential supplies for bleeding control, wound care, and medication when every second counts. It includes hospital-quality bandages, instruments, and a wilderness first aid guidebook. At number 7 spot is the Morganiv Conspol fixed blade knife with survival kit sheath. This is the apex predator of survival knives, a comprehensive solution for the prepared individual. It doesn't just offer a blade, it comes with a full survival system integrated directly into its sheath. The knife itself is a masterpiece of Swedish stainless steel, featuring a versatile Scandi grind and a 90-degree spine for striking a ferro rod. But Morganiv took it several steps further, including a diamond sharpener, a reflective paracord lanyard, and a fire starter that attaches directly to the sheath. This all-in-one kit consolidates your cutting, sharpening, and fire starting needs into one safe, reliable, and incredibly powerful tool. At number 6 is the Leatherman Raptor Rescue Multi-Tool. This set represents the absolute gold standard in emergency medical and tactical cutting. This isn't just about having shears, it's about having a dedicated, life-saving instrument. The ultralight foldable design features a carbide glass breaker for escaping vehicles, a strap/ring cutter for removing hazardous materials, and of course razor-sharp, oxygen tank wrench-compatible shears that cut through denim, leather, and Kevlar like butter. It includes a utility holster for swift upside-down belt carry, ensuring it's always accessible. The Raptor Rescue provides a designated tool for every high-stakes cutting scenario, creating a logical, easy-to-deploy system for emergencies. It's a systematic revolution for how you handle crisis intervention. At number 5 position is the Wolfbox 4000A Jump Starter with air compressor. This device is the ultimate solution for vehicle-dependent survival. It completely eliminates the need for another vehicle for a jump start and a separate bulky air compressor. This powerful all-in-one unit delivers a massive 4,000 amp peak current to jumpstart dead batteries on gas engines up to 10 liters and diesel engines up to 8 liters. Its 160 psi air compressor can inflate a pickup truck tire in under 3 minutes, and it also functions as a 24,000 mAh power bank with 65-watt fast charging for all your devices. Whether you're reviving a dead car battery to get moving or inflating tires to navigate rough terrain, this tool ensures your most vital mobility asset is always operational, banishing the fear of being stranded for good. At number 4 is the OLIGHT Seeker 4 Pro rechargeable flashlight. This flashlight is a masterpiece of integrated illumination design, blending insane power with incredible user-friendly features into one rugged, waterproof package. Its staggering 4,600 lumen output and 260 meter throw can light up an entire landscape or signal for help from incredible distances. Its genius includes a multifunctional holster that acts as a charging dock and carrying solution, an enlarged glove-compatible rotating switch for easy mode selection, and 2 separate charging methods. At number 3 spot is the 4 Patriots 4-Week Survival Food Kit. This kit earns its high position by completely reinventing a category dominated by bland, short-term options. Its genius lies in its long-term viability and variety, with a 25-year shelf life and 192 total servings of breakfast, lunch, and dinner entrees. It's designed to provide one person with a full month of food security, all packaged in durable, easy-to-stack pouches. The 4 Patriots kit isn't an accessory. It's a necessity that guarantees you will have the caloric fuel and nutritional foundation to endure and think clearly through any extended emergency. At number 2, we have the Phoenix TK35R 5800 lumen tactical flashlight with UV light. This version takes the concept of a flashlight and turns it into a multi-role command and control tool. It generates a blinding 5,800 lumens and can throw light an incredible 667 yards. But its true genius is the addition of 2 UV light settings, allowing you to perform critical tasks like detecting scorpions, authenticating documents, finding fluid leaks, or identifying forensic evidence. And number 1 is the Uncharted Supply Company 72 Pro 2-person survival system. This remarkable system earns the top spot for being a complete, off-the-shelf solution to surviving the critical first 72 hours of any disaster. This isn't a collection of items thrown in a bag. It's a meticulously curated ecosystem of over 60 professional-grade tools organized within a waterproof roll-top backpack. It contains everything: a Sawyer mini water filter and steel bottle, 4,800 calories of food, a survival tent, Mylar blankets, a full trauma first aid kit, N95 masks and goggles, a shovel/axe, a fire starting knife, a multi-tool, a NOAA crank radio, and so much more. Its color-coded organization system allows anyone to find and use any tool, and that concludes our top 20 list of the best survival gear. From the simple life-saving warmth of an emergency blanket to the comprehensive protection of a full-face respirator, each of these items serves a distinct and critical purpose in a well-rounded preparedness plan. Remember, it's not about waiting for disaster, it's about empowering yourself with the tools and the knowledge to face uncertainty with confidence. Thanks for watching.